This is the Black Peppercorn candle from Molton Brown. Is it good? Well, yes and no. I wanted to be good so bad, it was almost there, just came up a little short. Let me explain. Hey, what's up? I'm Rakima. Welcome to detaileddream, and this is my review of the Black Peppercorn candle from Molton Brown. I like to call it the introverted scent. The Black Peppercorn scent is the first candle I picked up from Molton Brown, and I wanted to be good because the scent is very beautiful. But when I got it home and lit it, nothing happened. I couldn't smell the scent. I wasn't sitting too far away from it, maybe 10 feet. 1 hour passed, nothing. 2 hours passed, still nothing. It was at that moment when I went to go snuff the wick, I began to smell a little something. It was trying its best, but just couldn't emit that hot throat that I personally require from my candles. There wasn't anything distinctive about it, I guess you can say. You know how sometimes you get that intoxicating cold throw from your candles that just want you to light it? I didn't get that from this. It's a shy candle, a little introverted I might say. Maybe I have to talk to it and get a little comfortable before I light it. There are 3 sizes of candles from Molton Brown that you can choose from. You can get a set of 3 mini candles. I mean, when I really want to try out a candle, I tend to stay away from those mini travel sizes unless I'm really traveling. And plus, they only lasted for about 10 hours. If I'm going to commit to something, I want to be sure that it's something I can thoroughly give my honest opinion on. So there's a set of 3 minis. You have the single wick and you have the larger sized at 3 wicks. I opted for the single wick as it seemed to be the perfect medium. I just prefer the scent to be a little stronger. Think of it as an Olympic 100-meter dash where the person in front celebrate way too early because they thought they were going to win and ended up losing because they slowed down at the last second. That's how I felt about this candle. In the store, I was like, yes, this is a winner. And when I got it home, it quickly lost that appeal. Don't get me wrong, the scent is very, very good. It has that nice aromatic masculine scent that smells like luxury. It's just a little too subtle of a burn for me. The perfect way to describe this candle is picturing it in a luxury hotel suite overlooking the city. This would be perfect for that person that doesn't want a scent that isn't as aromatic as stronger candles you tend to get from other luxury brands. From afar, there's a whiff here and a whiff there that gets you like, yes, finally, but it doesn't last too long. But when you're on top of it, literally, with your face burning from the flame, it smells so good, it hurts. You like what I did there? The glass has a very high quality feel to it, very elegant with a heavy feel to it, especially with the frosted tip. Looks very soothing and inviting when it's lit. Even the packaging has been well thought out. You slide the top off and you'll first see that frosted glass rim that I like. I'm still trying to justify the scent to this day.
To this day! To this day!
I've been mentally battling myself because I want it to be good. Maybe I got a defective candle, or I just don't have the right environment for it, or maybe I'm just used to the other candles in my collection that has spoiled me with performance that I've become simply nose blind. I just don't understand it. I will get into contact with their customer service to find out if I can exchange this one for a fresh one to see if there's a difference with performance. If I do, I will update you guys in the comments, or I may make a follow-up video to this one. I give it a good YouTube clickbait title like I was wrong with a crying picture. The notes of this candle has some of the most beautiful ingredients though. Like I said earlier, it has that smooth masculine fragrance with a hint of spice to it. You have the top notes of black pepper, which gives it that nice spice with lemon and ginger. For the heart notes, you have some coriander with basil and violet leaf. And the base notes consist of vetiver, oak moss, and ambergris. I don't know, maybe I need some amber or tobacco in the base notes, or add in some bergamot instead of lemon on the top notes to give it a better throw. I'm not counting it out just yet. I still have hope for these candles. There are 2 other scents from Molton Brown that I would definitely be picking up next. The Oud Accord smelled very nice along with the orange and bergamot scent. I think the performance of those candles will give me exactly what I'm looking for. I will also get them in the 3 wick size to see if there is a difference. I have so many candles with those same notes though, like oud, bergamot, tobacco, and cedarwood. I just needed to branch out for a quick moment. The Black Peppercorn scent smelled so nice in the store. It was speaking to me. I was just certain that this would be a top candle in my rotation. Now, how did it turn out, you ask? Well, it's always good to try new things every once in a while. Expanding your horizon is good for the soul sometimes. Yes, I'm still gonna burn it. Not as often, but I will still burn it. And yes, the scent is amazing. The only downfall with this particular candle is the performance. I like that good hot throw. If you're looking for a candle that isn't overpowering with scent, or if you're looking for a subtle masculine earthy scent with a hint of spice, the Black Peppercorn scent from Molton Brown is perfect for you. I love this scent. It just doesn't want to love me back.